Is Kraken about to make some massive waves in the global crypto ocean in 2025? That's the multi-billion-dollar question on the minds of investors, crypto enthusiasts, and frankly, anyone paying attention to the digital asset space. We've seen Kraken evolve from a relatively niche exchange to a major player, consistently ranking among the top platforms globally. But what's next for this behemoth? What strategic moves are they likely to make in 2025 to further solidify their position and expand their reach? Before we dive deep into potential strategies, let's take a quick look back at Kraken's journey. Founded in 2011, it's one of the veterans of the crypto exchange world. They've built a reputation for security, a wide range of supported assets, and a focus on regulatory compliance, a factor that has become increasingly crucial in this ever-evolving landscape. Over the years, they've weathered market volatility, regulatory shifts, and the rise of new competitors, consistently demonstrating resilience and a commitment to long-term growth. Now, fast forward to 2025. The crypto market is maturing. We're seeing increased institutional adoption, clearer regulatory frameworks, though still evolving, and a growing demand for diverse crypto services beyond just trading. So, where does Kraken fit into this picture? What strategic levers might they pull to capitalize on these trends and achieve further global growth? One key area to consider is geographical expansion. While Kraken already has a significant international presence, the landscape is far from saturated. Emerging markets, in particular, present immense opportunities. Think about regions in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and Africa, where crypto adoption is on the rise, often driven by factors like limited access to traditional financial services and a growing tech-savvy population. Kraken could strategically target these markets by establishing local partnerships, offering localized language support and payment methods, and tailoring their services to meet the specific needs of users in these regions. This might involve acquiring smaller, local exchanges or establishing new operational hubs. Another crucial aspect of global growth is service diversification. While Kraken is primarily known as a spot exchange, the future of crypto platforms lies in offering a comprehensive suite of services. We've already seen Kraken venture into staking, margin trading, futures, and even NFT marketplaces. In 2025, we can expect this trend to accelerate. They might further expand their DeFi offerings, allowing users to seamlessly interact with decentralized protocols directly through their platform. Lending and borrowing services could become more sophisticated, and we might even see Kraken exploring more innovative financial products tailored to the crypto space. Think about structured products or more complex derivatives catering to institutional investors. Regulatory compliance will undoubtedly remain a cornerstone of Kraken's global strategy. As regulations become clearer and more consistent across different jurisdictions, Kraken's proactive approach to compliance will be a significant competitive advantage. They are likely to continue engaging with regulators, seeking licenses and adhering to local requirements in each market they operate in. This might involve investing heavily in legal and compliance teams and implementing robust KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, procedures. While this can be a resource-intensive process, it builds trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term success and attracting institutional clients. Technology and innovation will also play a vital role. The crypto space is constantly evolving, with new technologies and protocols emerging at a rapid pace. Kraken will need to stay ahead of the curve by investing in research and development. This could involve integrating new blockchain networks, enhancing their trading infrastructure for speed and efficiency, and improving the user experience across all their platforms. We might see them leverage advancements in areas like zero-knowledge proofs for enhanced privacy or exploring more sophisticated trading tools and analytics for their users. Furthermore, the integration of AI and machine learning could optimize various aspects of their operations, from risk management to customer support. Security remains paramount in the crypto world. Kraken has a strong track record in this area, and maintaining this reputation will be crucial for their global growth. They will likely continue to invest heavily in security infrastructure, employing cutting-edge technologies and best practices to protect user funds and data. This includes multi-factor authentication, cold storage solutions, and regular security audits. Transparency regarding their security measures will also be vital in building and maintaining user trust, especially as they expand into new markets. Strategic partnerships and acquisitions could also be a key component of Kraken's 2025 growth strategy. Collaborating with established financial institutions, technology providers, or even other crypto companies could accelerate their expansion and service offerings. Acquisitions could provide them with access to new technologies, talent, or market share in specific regions. For example, they might acquire a DeFi platform to quickly integrate those services or partner with a traditional bank to offer crypto services to a broader customer base. Focusing on user experience and education will be critical for attracting and retaining users in a competitive global market. Kraken will likely continue to invest in making their platform intuitive and user-friendly, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. Providing comprehensive educational resources, such as guides, tutorials, and webinars, can help onboard new users and build a loyal community. Excellent customer support in multiple languages will also be essential for their global expansion efforts. Finally, the broader macroeconomic environment and the overall sentiment towards cryptocurrencies will undoubtedly influence Kraken's growth trajectory. Factors like inflation, interest rates, and regulatory developments at a global level can significantly impact the crypto market. Kraken will need to remain agile and adapt their strategies to navigate these external forces. So, to answer the initial question, is Kraken poised for significant global growth in 2025? Based on their history, their current trajectory, and the evolving landscape of the crypto market, the answer seems to be a resounding yes. By strategically focusing on geographical expansion, service diversification, regulatory compliance, technological innovation, security, partnerships, user experience, and by remaining adaptable to market conditions, Kraken has the potential to further solidify its position as a leading global cryptocurrency platform. The waves they make in 2025 could indeed be massive, shaping the future of the digital asset ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.